units, and that will be your answer. So, last example, I believe. This one will help you with I think it's question 3 on the on the on the practice. A garden is measured to be 30 feet wide by 50 feet long. What is the area of this garden in meters squared? So 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. So your conversion factor is 1 meter to 3.28 feet. So this is one way to do it, where you could just take your units, your conversion factor, and since you're converting from feet squared, you could just do it in 1 and square that conversion factor. There is another way to do it as well, which is you could just take those lengths and convert the lengths first and then multiply for the area, which is the way that I usually prefer. But honestly, this other way is faster. So our two measurements are 30 feet and 50 feet. So what is the area of this garden in meters squared? So that's going to be our final answer, where 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. So 1 meter is very close to being the same length as a yard. It's just a little bit longer. So we can take these. So first things first, 30 feet. Let's convert this to meters, because that's going to be what our answer is. So feet's in the numerator, and we want to cancel it out. So we'll put feet in the denominator on this side, and then we want to change it to meters. So that's going to go in the numerator. Since meters is in the numerator of our answer on this side. And then we'll just fill this in. How many feet are per meter? There's 3.28 feet. So we're going to put 3.28 where the feet are, and then 1 meter where that is. So we just take 30 feet divided by 3.28. Oh my gosh. That was terrible. And then we'll get 9.15 meters for one side, and then we'll just do the same thing with 50 feet. We've already, done the work here with our units, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the same thing, since it, is still converting from feet to meters, so we'll have the same conversion factor exactly. There's 1 meter per 3.28 feet. And then we'll divide 50 divided by 3.28, since, you multiply across. 50 times 1 is 50. Well, the feet cancel out. So 50 times 1 meter is 50 meters, divided by 3.28 is 15.24 meters. And then how do you find the area of a square? You just multiply its two lengths, right? Length times width. So we just take 15.24. We'll just denote this as area equals 15.24 meters times 9.15 meters. $15.24 times 9.15 is 139.48. But that's not, this isn't our final answer, right? I'm pretty sure you've heard this in math class plenty of times. What units will you have? We'll have meters times meters. And what is meters times meters? Just like x times x, it is, x squared. It's the same thing works with the units. Meters times meters is meters squared. And then sanity check, we'll see that, we're looking for an area, and we get units of area because we have some length squared. And if you're looking for area and you don't get a final answer of length squared, then you've definitely done something wrong. So in this way is the other way to do it, where they found the area in feet squared first, then they just squared the conversion factor, because that works with the unit squared, and you'll get 139.43 meters squared. Same answer, or about the same answer. or, the way that we just did it. So you can do it either of these ways. In the practice, you're actually finding, you aren't just finding the area, you're finding the volume. So you should get an answer in cubic meters. And then, of course, you'll convert from cubic meters to cubic centimeters. And that way, I'll give you a hint. Well, you'll have to you have to put 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. You have to find a way to change both sides to, cubic meters to cubic centimeters. And I'm pretty sure you could think of that in the way that, we change both sides of this by, we change both these units by squaring it. We change it, instead of having just meters when you square it, you have meters squared. Instead of having feet here, you have feet squared. So, to give you guys a hint. But if not, this will work as well. But I will say, for the second part of this problem, if you do it this first way, you'll have a lot less work if you're able to figure it out. But like if you do it the long way, you'll, if you're not comfortable with that way, that is fine too. I'm just pointing that out. And then the other examples, this is true by the way. I'm very short. I'm only 5'9". So you convert that to centimeters, and then Cheetah's top speed, miles per hour. We actually did an example just like this, miles per hour to meters per second here. So for that third one, you can look there as well. And then I have the answers here. So make sure for your dimensional analysis practice, you show your work. And let me make sure that that is what shows up here. Okay, yes. Okay. So yeah, make sure you show your work. That is how you'll get credit. So show all your work. So you could do this in a different ways. On a piece of paper, you could do your work and then just take a picture of it, copy paste it here. You could use if you have a tablet, you can write on your tablet, take a screenshot, do it. If you're good at writing with a trackpad on whiteboard because you got some crazy skills during lockdown school, then you could use that as well. So it is up to you. As long as it is legible. Sorry. It is very ironic that I would say that. So that's what I expect from you guys. You guys could always email me at oh yeah, right. At njordan@mrpk.org. So if you have any questions, you could also use the Canvas. Where's it at? Right here. If you click on this right here, so this is the homepage of the Canvas. If you click on this right here, you could ask a question, post it, and I'll answer it as well. So good luck, guys. I hope I'll be hoping to meet you guys. I'll be hoping to, sorry, I accidentally clicked the pause button. I'll be hoping to meet you guys on Friday. Sorry that this ended up being a really long video. But I hope it's another tool that can help you guys. I also we'll have the notes posted. So good luck. If you are struggling, just, try your best, ask for help, look at the videos. I swear I'll be there to help you guys on as soon as I can. All right. See you guys.